This is LV, and we are here live in downtown Kingston representing One Jamaica TV, and I'm here with MJ. MJ, what do you think are the main causes of crime and violence in Jamaica?
Lack of education and opportunity. That is
Okay, so what do you think can be implemented to rid crime and violence from our community?
Put a lot more skill areas, starting with primary schools, so children can start gaining skills. Because in China, they're starting from kindergarten where they teach them to cook, skill train, drive tractors, trucks, you name it, all the vocational areas. So I think if we start even at primary level, we would definitely see a greater change from the youth coming up to high school to college until they're in the street for work.
Thank you so much for that. And I have a follow-up question. What do you think we as citizens of Jamaica can do to make Jamaica a safer place?
Definitely look out for each other, care for each other like back in the day, where it wasn't so much about social media. You know what I mean? Exchange, definitely social interaction. You know what I mean? And care for each other. It's not so much about views and likes and all of that and fame. You know what I mean? I think that has definitely take away humanity from our people. So yeah, definitely.
Thank you so much for that, MJ. Do you have anyone you want to shout out to?
Big up 1JA TV and big up MJ. That's official.